Hey everybody, Drew Brenner, Senior Loan Officer at Willow Bend Mortgage and your mortgage advisor, coming to you with another mortgage update. I want to keep you guys informed, my clients, my referral partners, my realtors, as to what's going on out there, just so you know what to expect in this totally unprecedented mortgage market. So let's first start talking about FHA and VA loans. So a lot of you have heard of Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac and how they are trading on the secondary market for conventional loans. Well, Ginnie Mae trades on the secondary market for government loans, which are FHA, VA, and USDA also. And the unfortunate part is that with the way the market is, a lot of those loans are having issues being sold. And so you're going to see that a lot of mortgage companies are raising their minimum credit scores on FHA and VA loans, definitely, but maybe even all loans, including conventional. So I've seen that a lot of companies have raised them from 500 or 580 all the way up to 680. We at Willow Bend Mortgage moved ours to 640 last week and 660 now as of yesterday. We do plan on this being temporary. Because it's not that we don't want to help these people with lower credit scores. It's just that nobody on the secondary market is buying them right now, so there's no place to put them. And mortgage companies, most mortgage companies, small, medium, even large size mortgage companies, can't sit and hold on to loans that they can't sell on the servicing side of things. So you're going to see a lot of companies doing that. I've seen a lot raise them all the way up to 680, like I mentioned. In addition to that, the craziness with liquidity on the secondary market is causing interest rates on FHA and VA to be all over the place. So a lot of companies, you're seeing them up in the high 3s and 4s and 5s, when even a few weeks ago we were seeing them in the high 2s or low 3s. So just expect that for the time being until things kind of settle down. Now, one good news on the FHA VA side is we saw guidance that the government is now going to allow drive-by or desk appraisals on FHA and VA, which has pretty much never been done before, which is really, really good news. Now, that'll help in this COVID shelter crisis, but the one potential issue that we're seeing right now is just because the government says it's allowed doesn't mean that all of the investors or the lenders that mortgage companies sell loans to are allowing that. Just to give you an example, last week Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac for conventional loans said the same thing. We can use drive-by appraisals. But at least as of last Friday, I believe it was, a lot of the big players like Chase and Wells Fargo weren't allowing the drive-by appraisals yet. So I don't know if that's changed in the last 4 or 5 days, but until we receive guidance from them, if we're going to sell any loans to them, we still got to have a full inside-outside appraisal. So I'll keep you guys updated there on how things progress. Now, the other thing I want to mention is that a lot of lenders have to get IRS tax transcripts from the IRS to verify W-2 income, tax return income, stuff like that. And the IRS has flat out said we are not taking any new orders on those right now. So we're having to have a lot of clients go and try and get them online. And sometimes the verification process the IRS does online is really hard to get through. And so we may end up having to have the IRS mail them to the client, which can take up to 10, 14, 15 days, something like that. So it's something that we are jumping on at the beginning of the transaction, but I just want to give everyone the heads up. That's something that lenders typically need. And now the IRS is not sending them to us due to low staffing. So a lot of crazy stuff going on out there. If you guys have questions, you want to talk about the state of the market, want to talk just about getting pre-approved or anything else, give me a call. My number is 214-282-6387. All right, thanks a lot, and just expect more updates from me in the near future. Take care.